Where the car went off the road this morning, between Gaston and Forest Grove on Fernhill Road, you can see that the water is whipping across the road. It's really not that deep, but it's moving extremely fast. In some spots it might only be a couple inches, in other spots 4 or 5 inches. Heading back the other direction in the sunshine, it's rather pretty. Kind of like you're at the beach and the waves just keep rolling in.